Hello everyone, this is Deepak here. Welcome to my YouTube channel, English Nuts and Bolts, where I'm trying to give you the nuts and bolts and the nitty gritty of English language, where we are trying to understand the nuances of English language. So, guys, I have started a series where I'm discussing some important vocabulary with all of you. I'm also launching my course for vocabulary, which I'll be updating you very soon. So, guys, let's start with the like one more video on the vocabulary. I already have uploaded two videos on the vocabulary, so you can also watch those vocabulary video. So, guys, let's start with the first one. The person who helps someone in crime. So, help him means he's accompanying someone. Okay, there is a word accompany, right? There is a word accompany means to support someone. Okay, so right, helper is help someone, but that does not help in crime. Okay, friend may help in crime, may not help in crime. Okay, ally is always a reliable partner, you can say. US is a very good ally for India. Okay, and we have been very good ally for your Russia. So ally is something who is a very very helpful partner to all of you. तो उसको बोल सकते हो राइट. ओके, सो राइट वन इज द accomplice. We can also call this as complicit. We can also call this as complicit, complicit, complicit. We can also call this as accessory, right? So these three people are basically the helper in crime. इनको हम क्या बोल सकते हैं? This is basically the helper in crime. इसको हम क्या बोल सकते हैं? One who helps someone in crime. Okay, तो ये हमारा आंसर हो सकता है. चलिए, फर्स्ट वन इज बी फॉर बॉम्बे. लेट्स गो नेक्स्ट वन. अ पर्सन हु रूल्स विदाउट टेकिंग द ओपिनियन ऑफ अदर्स. गाइड, डेम जो होता है दैट इज पीपल. To Democrat who is elected by people. Fanatic is a crazy for something. Like I'm a fanatic fan of Yuvraj Singh. I'm a fanatic fan of Dhoni. So means crazy. Religious fanatic bhi hote hain, guys. The one who is very crazy for their own relation, or sorry, own religion. So those are called religious fanatic. And the auto is called basically the self. Auto का मतलब self है, guys. And autocrat is the one who does not listen to anyone and follows the whatever he feels like, he does those stuff. So that is called autocrat. In Hindi we can call this as tanashah. Okay, in Hindi we can call this tanashah. So autocrat is the one who does not follow the opinion of others, like we have seen Kim Jong Un, like the one who is the autocrat in the North Korea, guys. He does not listen to anybody, keep on intimidating the US, keep on keep on doing the proliferation of the nuclear weapon and the missile program. So we have seen one autocrat right now. Earlier it was we have number of autocrats in the world, but the Kim Jong Un is the one of the famous one right now. Earlier we had the Hitler and other like the leaders, you can say, who behaved like an autocrat. Anarchy means like there is no archy. Archy means sashan. Anarchy means there is no sashan. So it's an absence of rule and order. Absence of rule and order means when there is no rule and order, we can call this as arajakta. Okay, when there is no rules, regulations being followed. Right? So we have the answer is autocrat. Right? Let's go for third one. AVI is used for birds, guys. This is very important root. AVI is for birds. Bovine is used for cattle. Feline is used for cat. And the simian is used for monkey. Simian is used for monkey, right? AVI is for birds. Bovine is for cattle. Cattle matlab pashu. And the feline is used for cat. Simian is used for monkey. And guys, canine is used for dog. Canine is used for dog. Okay, canine population is increasing in my locality. तो मेरी लोकेलिटी में गाइस कैनाइन पॉपुलेशन बढ़ गई है. इट मींस द पॉपुलेशन ऑफ डॉग्स, राइट? चलिए गाइस, लेट्स गो फॉर द फोर्थ वन. I'll make only 7-8 minute video to discuss the 10 words, so you can spend at least 7-10 minutes, or 3 videos I am providing in a week. So guys, this will be very very important for all of you, or at least 2 videos you'll be getting from my side in a week. Okay, chaliye guys, let's go for this. And this one is the long experience guy. This is called the veteran cricketer. Like we have seen the veteran cricketer Sachin Tendulkar, veteran cricketer Yuvraj Singh, veteran cricketer like you can say the Dhoni, and a lot of other people. So that is called veteran. So veteran politician Lal Krish Advani, right? So veteran बोल सकते हैं guys हम इसमें, ये ध्यान रखिएगा. चलिए मूव करते हैं गाइस फोर्थ पे हम. सीजनड होता है एक्सपीरियंस बट नॉट एज एक्सपीरियंस एज वेटरन. Seasoned is also called experience, but he's not as experienced as veteran. Okay, so veteran is carrying a huge experience, but the seasoned is the like carrying 4-5 years of experience that can be called as seasoned. But veteran carrying the experience of 20-25 years or probably spent his entire life in doing this stuff. चलिए फिफ्थ वन रेकलेस. रेकलेस मीन्स अगर मैं बोलूँ हु स्पेंड्स हिज मनी रेकलेसली, पैसा अंधाधुंध खर्चता है गाइस, डज नॉट केयर फॉर एनीथिंग. ही spends his money like he's squandering his money, he's simply wasting his money. So that person can be called as spendthrift. We can also call this as extravagant, right? We can also call this person as extravagant. Okay, and guys, one who is miser does not like to spend money. Very कंजूस आदमी. The one who is miser does not like to spend money. So if someone is a miser, will never offer you a party. If someone is a miser, probably do not expect him that he'll be spending any money on you. Okay, so that can be called conjuice. Thrifty, and the 95% of the people comes in the category of thrifty guys. Thrifty is the one who is very economical in spending money, takes care of all the expenses very carefully. He does not spend much, but yeah, he is also not conjuice kind of people. He is not conjuice kind of person, like who never like to spend money. So thrifty comes between the category of between of the spendthrift and miser. So that person can be called as economical, the one who is very careful in spending. He spends wherever he feels that I should spend my money. So very economical, that can be called as thrifty. There is a very good thrifty synonym, that is called frugal. Very nice word guys, the frugal, who does not like to spend so much of money, but yes, they are very economical. Chaliye, the right answer is the spendthrift one. Let's go for the sixth one guys. Let's go for person who has just started learning guys. So new ke liye guys, there are two roots, nov or new. There are two roots in English language, neo, nov. Okay, so these are basically the one which are the beginner. And here we can call accomplice guys, can take it out. This is partner in crime, right? This is partner in crime. So this cannot be. Veteran, we already discussed guys, huge experience. The veteran is carrying huge experience, right? And the vintage is the old and gold. Vintage wine, vintage car rally, vintage wine, old and gold. Vintage is something which is old, but it is carrying a very huge, it is carrying very good value. And the vintage is the one which I believe is something which has been old, but it is carrying an equivalent value to the new one, and sometime even more than the new one. Okay, we have seen the vintage car, we have seen the vintage, you can say the wine. Okay, so that is called vintage. And the apprentice is the newcomer, which is called neophyte, and the novice as well. Neophyte, novice, rookie. Okay, so that is called basically the apprentice one. He's an apprentice. You joined hotel industry as an apprentice. You joined like faculty as an apprentice, like junior, or you can say the starter, beginner. That is called apprentice. Chaliye, fear of closed places guys. Fear of closed places, right? Fear of closed places. Aqua is for water. Agora is for open places. Agora is for open places, like someone doesn't want to go in the open places, and he keeps confined himself, kahin na kahin thoda andar rehta hai, so that is called the like the agoraphobia, like people who are afraid of going to the market and mixing up with the people, that is called agoraphobia. Botano is for plants, and the claustrum is basically used for shut places. Claustrum is used for shut places, right? So claustrophobia is a kind of phobia which is where like the person is scared of staying at one place, especially the closed one. Suppose someone is confined to a particular place and is not feeling comfortable there, like a child who was probably unfortunately locked in a classroom, and for the entire night he had to stay in that classroom, and he got very scared, so he is suffering from claustrophobia. चलिए नेक्स्ट लेते हैं गाइस. व्हाट इज द नेक्स्ट वन? एक्सपर्ट इन द एरिया. एक्सपर्ट. नियोफाइट इज द बिगनर. Neophyte is the beginner. Amateur is the, you can say, the shockier kind of people who are not interested in any particular stuff. Amateur is the one who actually does something but not very seriously. Dabbler, you can call them as dabbler, right? The one who is doing something but not very seriously. And the connoisseur is called basically the expert. I keep on saying Hrithik Roshan is a dance connoisseur of dancing. Okay, and there are a lot of people. Virat Kohli is a connoisseur of cricket. Okay, so connoisseur is the one who is very, very expert at particular art. Connoisseur is the one who is very, very great at particular art, right? चलिए नेक्स्ट लीजिए गाइस. द वन हु नेवर टायर्स. देखिए गाइस, कॉरेजिबल करेक्ट किया जा सकता है, इनकॉरेजिबल कांट बी करेक्टेड. ही इज एन इनकॉरेजिबल लायर. मैंने बोला यार वो इनकॉरेजिबल लायर है. ही विल कीप ऑन टेलिंग यू लाई. ही इज अ कॉन्ज्यूमेट लायर, मीन्स विच कैन नॉट बी करेक्टेड. ठीक है, सो इनकॉरेजिबल, वन थिंग विच कैन नॉट बी करेक्टेड. Indispensable. I keep on telling all of you guys that English is indispensable part of our life. It cannot be. English is indispensable part of our life. Very, very important part of our life. It cannot be avoided further. I've asked everyone, please start working on your skills of English language. At least you will get some place in the market if you're not getting the other opportunity. So you'll at least, be able to set yourself in the market, grab the opportunity which are there. Sometimes we lose lot of opportunity just because we are not aware of the English language. So English has become indispensable part, inevitable part, ineluctable part. We all must work towards it. We must work towards the improvement of the skills of language. Inimitable, guys, which cannot be copied. Inimitable is which cannot be imitate. Imitate means copy karna, and inimitable which cannot be copied. और indefatigable attitude होना guys, ऐसा नहीं 4 घंटे पढ़ लिए and you're feeling tired. It should not be, guys. You should have indefatigable attitude. Plan 24 hours. I keep on saying the people who can plan 24 hours can achieve everything in their life. So we all need to set, plan it out, and need to spend that time in the best possible way. So we should all carry the indefatigable attitude. Indefatigable means जो कभी थकता नहीं है, who never feel tires. Right guys, so आज का last word है old women who is not married. This is called spinster. I take the example of Mayawati spinster. I take the example of Lata Mangeshkar. I always take the example of Mamata Banerjee. So those are spinster and old women who is not married. Virago is always ready to fight. Big Boss is full of viragos. Big Virago is a lady who is always ready to fight, who is always ready to have the altercation with others, who is always ready to, bandy word with others. So Virago is a kind of a lady who is always ready to fight with others. Amazon is a brave lady, guys. Amazon is a brave lady, like brave and tall lady. ठीक है ना. आई एम टेकिंग द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ कंगना रनौवत these days. Like the Kangana Ranaut is a Amazon lady. Kangana Ranaut is an Amazon lady, right? So guys, yeah, these are the 10 words which I discussed with you, and please keep on sharing these videos with others, and I'll keep on adding more knowledge to your bucket, and will keep on sharing my knowledge with all of you. These are very, very important words. We should all know these particular words which are integral part of English language. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye from my side. Bye.